front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section, which is Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock, and when you're ready, select Screen Lock. Now pick one of those options, pattern, PIN or password. And after selecting the best one for you, create it here. Choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by tapping on one of those options. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!